We are going to do some activities. किसके लिए पता है? To improve our gripping. Show me your hand. Do it like this to improve our gripping and to make our finger muscles strong. Activity catch. What is this?
This is a ball.
Which color is it?
Yellow.
Yes. Press it. This is the exercise. अच्छा, hold it in one hand. हाँ, do it 10 times. 1. इधर दिखाओ ऊपर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now with the other hand. ऐसे पकड़ो. Hold it like this. Now do this. 1, 2. Very good. 3, 4, 5, 6. Press. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, are you ready for the next activity?
Yes.
Now we have our favorite screws and nuts. चलो सबसे पहले फिट करो screw and nut. अकेले screw और nut करके दिखाओ पहले. नहीं पहले only screw and nut. Yes. Which color is it?
Yellow.
Okay. Very good. इसको फिट करो आप. Can you fit the planks together? So this is another activity which develops fine motor skills of the kids, and this is also to improve the hand and eye coordination. So you can see the hands and the fingers moving. So this is a great activity for the kids. These are easily available in the market. These kind of screws and nuts. You can get the toolbox for the kids. Done?
No, 1 minute.
वाह, मुझे लगा था नहीं होगा. शाबाश, very good. Very good. Done?
Soldering iron stand.
Okay. Now this. Do this.
Rajma.
राजमा और
Chana.
चने. इनको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Pulses. From where do we get these? From the plants. बेटा अलग अलग करने, ये तो मिक्सी करी जा रहे हो. No, this is not done. Put it back. You have to find rajma with both your hands. You can use both your hands. ऐसे रखो, दोनों hands से one by one rajma इसमें डालो. Use both your hands. Very good. So this is another activity which improves hand and eye coordination plus the finger muscle building and helps to improve the gripping of kids. Chalo, let's do the next.
Yes, 1 minute.
Keep it aside. Okay. Thank you. Now next. Do this. And here is the pencil. Chalo, trace. Which number?
0.
0. Next.
1.
Very good. Which number?
2.
2. Next. Which number?
3.
Very good. So here the child is learning the tracing of the numbers as well as
4.
very good. The gripping also and the formation of letters also. So these are easily available in the market.
5.
Very good. Next. Which number?
6.
Now 7. Next.
8.
8. Very good. And next is
9.
9. तो हमने क्या सीखा था? How many digits do we have in maths?
0.
How many? पहले tell me. How many digits do we have in maths? बेटा कितने digit होते हैं maths में?
10.
10. कहाँ से शुरू होते हैं? 0 से. और खत्म कहाँ पे होते हैं? 9 पे. So these are the 10 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. और ये digits को मिला के क्या बन जाते हैं हमारे? जब इन digits को मिलाते हैं हम maths में तो क्या बन जाते हैं? बताओ जल्दी, भूल गए आप? जब हम digits को मिलाते हैं तो क्या बन जाते हैं? Numbers. शाबाश. चलो next activity करें. चलो जी, आविवान की favorite activity.
हम यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे.
So guys, this is the wait एक minute. This is the real hammer which we are using here because ये हमारे Mr. Vivan ji is fond of real tools. He doesn't like to play with the imitated ones. तो इन्होंने इसकी hammer घुमा दी है. इनको real tool से खेलना ही पसंद है. तो it is best you use the hammer which you get with these tools. ये देखिए हमारे पास hammers के भंडारे हैं. इससे करो. This is another hammer which he has got.
This is a silicone hammer.
So this also helps to improve the hand movement, gripping.
This is the one.
So we have
Can you give me
we have a lot of collection of the real hammers here. We don't like to use nakli hammers. So this activity, jokes apart, this activity helps to improve gripping, hand movement,
Oh, yay!
and also it helps to improve the pressure, the correct amount of pressure which the kids need to put on the notebook when they hold the pencil. So this is also easily available online as well as in the local market. You can get these. So the next activity, or you can do it with this also. With the rolling pin, the same activity. All right, next. So the next activity is also our favorite clay activity. So this is our homemade clay, and this is very, very easy to make. This is the edible clay, though we are not supposed to eat it, but still this is all made of edible products, which is maida, salt and little bit of water and the food color.
And the link is in the description.
And we'll put the link in the description box so you can make this at home. Okay, now do it. Yes, do it. Yes, press it. तोड़ो इसको दोनों हैंड से खेलो. मेक लड्डूज. वेरी गुड. मेक लड्डूज. राउंड राउंड करो. वेरी गुड. Now make a snake. Make a snake. Can you make a snake? Very good.
Very easy.
Can you make a hammer with it? Your favorite hammer.
This way.
देखो कैसी हैमर है. अच्छा ओके, पिक इट अप. लेट्स मेक अ रोटी. डू इट राउंड राउंड. स्नेक तो बना दो. स्नेक बन गया. ऐसे करो, ऐसे ऐसे रोल करो उस पे, फ्लोर पे. वेरी गुड. सो दिस इज द रोलिंग पिन. वी कैन यूज दिस ऑल्सो हेल्प्स टू इम्प्रूव दिस पार्ट व्हेन दे रोल. विवान रोल इट विद दिस. ऐसे करके. अच्छा ओके, डू. अब क्या बना रहे हो आप? व्हाट आर यू मेकिंग?
Snake.
ओके, इतना मोटू स्नेक. एनाकोंडा.
I will make a
Nagin.
Huh?
नागिन.
Like oils.
ऑयल्स.
Like oils. डिब्बे जिसमें हम ऑयल डालते हैं.
अच्छा चलो, रोल इट. मेक अ रोटी. चलो मेक अ रोटी.
Oil.
बेटा यहाँ पे इसको ऐसे पकड़ो. हाँ, गोल करके हैंड्स. ऐसे नहीं करने, फ्लैट हैंड्स नहीं करने. हाँ, ऐसे करो. वेरी गुड. भैया 10 रोटीज़. भैया 10 चपाती बना देना. भैया कितनी देर में आए लेने?
2. भैया
कितनी दिन में आए? कितनी देर में कितने पैसे लोगे भैया?
नहीं, हम आपको टमाटो को देंगे.
अच्छा. अरे भैया रोटी खानी है, नान नहीं खाने. आप तो नान बना रहे हैं.
मैंने आपको पहली बार देखा है.
अच्छा चलो, लीव इट. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी विल शो. नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज, चलो, दिस इज कॉल्ड द पोरिंग.
Here we have taken some nutri.
यू कैन टेक एनीथिंग. बीन्स. ये क्या है?
Nutri my favorite.
Nutri, Vivan's favorite. This is called pouring. Kid will hold the spoon, and the holding of spoon will also help to develop the finger muscles, plus it will improve the gripping and hand and eye coordination. So this is a great activity for improving the fine motor skills of a child. Very good. चलो चलो फास्ट. डन.
No.
ऐसे नहीं करना, दिस इज स्पीकिंग. वेरी गुड. फिनिश. चलो नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी. आर यू रेडी फॉर इट? वाह वाह वाह, वेरी गुड.
Very nice. Awesome. साथ साथ में सफाई भी करते हैं. बच्चों के लिए नहीं.
हाँ, तो टाइडी अप तो करना ही पड़ता है, सफाई तो करनी पड़ेगी.
गाइस आप अपने बच्चों को बोलिए कि सफाई भी कर लें.
हाँ, साथ साथ टाइडी अप भी करना है हमको. सो दिस इज अनदर एक्टिविटी. दिस वी हैव फॉर्म्ड abacus at home. This I formed to teach ones and tens, but you can get these easily, these kind of toys in the market. So these again improve hand and eye coordination.
आपको चाइनीज नहीं लेना. अगर
हाँ, very good.
हमने इसमें हमने ब्लैक टेप लगाया, पर ये है कुत्ता.
हाँ, this is a box, cardboard box. So you should buy Indian toys. Very
I will
good.
take sticks.
I have taken sticks, ice cream sticks.
Not this is not ice cream sticks.
This is kulfi sticks.
Yes. I can collect it.
Very good. Acha, now put the balls of the same colors first. Can you see the balls of the same color? Can you see 2 pink balls?
One
Okay. This is what color?
gray I will like.
Silver. Okay. So this way you can teach the colors. You can teach the sequencing, that how the kid is required to sequence the beads, so they can make the pairs 2-1-2 or 2-2-1 or 2-2-2 as they like, or as you give the instructions. They can learn this. Plus it improves hand and eye coordination, it improves the gripping, it improves the hand and finger muscles. This is another great activity. Yes sir, complete हो गया.
One nut. अगर आप चाहें आप अलग-अलग कलर्स भी डाल सकते हैं.
बट हमने सीक्वेंस क्या रखी है?
अच्छी.
Same sequence in both the sticks. Very good. How many balls in one stick? Count.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
Very good. And how many in this stick?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
So we can teach counting, and we can teach ones and tens. Okay, so this is 10 balls in one stick. This is called one tens. 10 ball in one sticks.
10 ones.
1 tens.
One.
तो ये कितने हो गई? This is 1 10. This is 2 tens, and 2 tens is equal to
20.
20. देखो ये भी 10 balls, ये भी 10 balls. 10 plus 10 is equal to
20.
20. Very good. So are we ready for the next activity? And this is paper tearing. Very good. Tear the paper. So, hey, give it to me. Don't throw the paper here and there, okay? So you have to put it in this. Yes. You have to tear the paper. So this activity also helps to improve the gripping and the pressure building, because the kids, they actually have to, this may seem easy to us, but when you started with the beginner kids, they are actually unable to do it, and this I have experienced it. So they actually sometimes find it difficult to tear the paper. So we should do this kind of activity also with the kids. The rough papers, or we can take the thin papers which we get, the thin colored papers, जिसको हम गुड्डी पेपर भी बोलते हैं, वो भी हम ले सकते हैं. and we can ask the children to tear the papers into small bits. Beta इसके small pieces करो चलो.
Any kind of paper which is thin.
Hold one strip. Yes. Make small pieces. इसकी ना एक poem होती है पता है आपको? Bits of paper lying on the floor. Makes the room untidy, clean them up, pick them up. Bits of paper, fast. Bits of paper lying on the floor. Makes the room untidy, pick them up. हो गया? दिखाओ small pieces. चलो इन सबको इकट्ठे करो. Make a ball ऐसे करके. Make a ball. Do it. ऐसे इसको सबकी. Make a ball. Very good. So this way, this is another activity. So there are so many activities which you can do at home with the kids because if you do one single activity, they get bored. So I have shown you the ideas of different activities. One activity can be जैसे हमने screw up किया है, ठीक है? तो if you don't have these screws and you want to start up, आप कोई भी bottle दे सकते हो to the child to cork and uncork the bottle. जैसे छोटी bottles आती हैं pet bottles, तो उसको bottle का cap लगाओ और bottle का cap खोलो. That can be another activity. चलो last activity करके दिखाएं मेहमान. Last one. Okay. अनवी दो. चलो देखो ये क्या है हमारे पास ब्लैक ग्राम ब्लैक चना यस ऐसे इसको घुमाना है हमने पेंसिल से इसके ऊपर
गलत डायरेक्शन में
नहीं ठीक है बिल्कुल एक पॉइंट से शुरू करो और इसको पूरा हर एक नंबर का चक्कर लगवाओ वेरी गुड नेक्स्ट सो दिस इज अनदर एक्टिविटी विच यू कैन डू ऐसी आप दिस काइंड ऑफ गेम्स ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट इन द मार्केट विच आर द मैग्नेटिक games wherein the stick has a magnet and the kids can actually move the beads from one end to the other end. I'll give you the pictures of that games and they are available in the market. In this video only I'll share the picture in just a bit.
So here this is the magnetic maze game which I was talking about. This is the magnetic stick with which beads have to be put in to the target point. The next is the sewing boards. These may be the wooden or cardboard boards and these are also available online or you can create these at home also and use this kind of a needle which is safe for kids. Then the next is the board maze games. These also are helpful in development of finger gripping and to make the finger muscles strong. These boards are also available online as well as you can get it from the local market. These are also very useful for the kids and kids also enjoy playing with these. Then the next activity can be the paper cutting activity. You can make these sheets or you can download them and get a scissor which is very available at a very reasonable price from a stationery shop and ask the kids to cut. Then this is the beading activity. This also kids enjoy a lot. So you can ask the kids to make the lace up the beads or make the
so last but not the least, this is the last game where we will learn the colors. These are the dominoes which we have. We will learn colors. We will learn balancing activities with this. Kids also learn to make patterns. So you can use these as well for improving fine motor skills of the kids. Oops.
When you will put these types of heavy things and
just make a tall tower. Very good. Tall tower with this. Like this. This. No? Okay.
I will tell you how to about I will
अच्छा बेटा make ना fast. Make something. So these are the pieces of different colors where you can make different patterns. The kids learn to arrange. They learn hand and eye coordination. They learn balancing. These are all the activities which I wanted to show to the parents of the kids which they can do at home to improve the pencil gripping, to build up the hand muscles. These activities can be done with preschoolers. These can be done with the kindergarten kids, the kids who go to UKG, lower KG, upper KG classes, even the first classes, so that they develop the better gripping and hence they have a good handwriting. After this, in the next video, I'm going to show you the different hand warm-up exercises which normally we can ask the kids to do before starting to write on their notebooks. And these can be done every day before the kid starts to write in the notebook. मतलब वो exercises जो आपने करनी है बच्चे को कॉपी पे लिखने से पहले. If the child does those exercises, it also helps to improve the handwriting. They are the small hands and fingers warm-up exercises. So if you like this video, if you like the information, do like and subscribe our channel and do share it with your friends, with your family, whoever have the little kids, and let's help the struggling parents and kids in this pandemic. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting our channel. Keep watching. Stay safe. Stay connected. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
So this is another pattern which we are building up. Oh, that's okay. Bye guys. Thank you.